Hello everyone, welcome back to HCube. Today we are gonna do another unboxing for my PC build, and it's gonna be AIO from Arctic, and it's Liquid Freezer 3 240 A-RGB. This comes in this nice secure box. Dear Arctic customer, thank you for choosing Arctic. We value your trust and are committed to continually improving our products. As a token of our appreciation, please enjoy an MX cleaner to easily remove thermal paste from your hardware. Your feedback is important to us, and we love to hear your thoughts on Google or Amazon to help us improve the best experience. Best regards, the Arctic team. It's a German company. It's not sponsored video. I got this product with my own money, with my own PC build for game development. We have here this cleaner, then the main box. This is very nice packaging. European Hardware Awards 2024. This product is very good with AMD chips. It's originally designed for these CPUs, and you can add another bracket for Intel ones. It doesn't have any screen to show some temperature or any other data. It came for very good price, 240 RGB white. It has also thermal paste in it. You don't need to buy it separately. It has also some fan on this part which goes on top of CPU itself. I didn't buy the biggest one. I bought 240. I think I don't need 360. This is how it comes. Oh, it says thank you for choosing Arctic. You're welcome. This box doesn't have any labeling. We have here some screws, some cables. We have also that thermal paste itself. This is the part which goes on top of CPU itself. It's detachable. You can easily take it out and put it back. And it has its own fan. It's nice to have it. I prefer this than having just a screen or just a mirror there. From top it looks like this is the fan, but it's not a fan. The fan is here. Where is the cable goes in it? Maybe it just works with these magnets. It looks very good. Of course it's plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. Build quality for this price is, I would say, it's fair. It's not too fancy and it's not cheap at all. It's good. Looks like everything already installed. There is this sticker. The bracket for Intel CPUs. I'm gonna use my amdryzen 9. If you haven't seen my previous video, go check it. I was showing how I was installing it. Let me check if there is any sound. I hear some liquid sounds. Here we have another thing which is needed to peel off. This feels very sturdy. Hey, wait a minute. I didn't see any manual. What's happening? Arctic, if there is anyone watching this video, where's my manual? I live in a cube. It is what it is, right? We don't have it here. I remember there was something on website. I will check that probably. But I don't like that I have to check that. Technical specifications and manual. We have it on website. I got it. What's gonna be tomorrow? After 2 years, you will say, oh, we don't need manual. You can just talk with AI. Is it how it's gonna be? I don't like it. By the way, did I show you everything? Take a look at this. There is some number stuff. Okay, cooling system installation. By the way, this is important thing, guys. If you have AMD CPU, I mean AM5 CPU, you better buy AIO which is by default designed for that. Don't try to buy something with bracket. Bracket, still not perfect solution as far as I understood. Buy something which is intent to be working on exact CPU. Well, if they have extra bracket, it's okay, but bracket should be for another CPU. I already connected this cable here. I don't like that I need to do it in this way. I think it looks very ugly. These three cables, fan, pump, VRM. I'm gonna use this fan cable for CPU fan header on motherboard. Pump cable I will use for AIO pump because I have specific header on board. And I will use VRM for CHA fan 2 header on motherboard. I was covering it just in case to not get any dust or anything there. Here's the back. We have here these two metals. I'm gonna put them here for now. It's a little wiggling. So after putting spacers, I need to put this stuff this way. Well, it doesn't stand. I will need to screw them. This is air. Damn it. I can't do it in the same way how you're showing in your instructions.
I told him that it's so froze. Not talking about bass when I say I get low. I've been trying to get more now. I'm stacking my accounts. Saw going stupid, yeah, the numbers in the mouse. Heard I'm going quiet, so I turn it up.
This one went right away. This is inconsistency.
And I got a gas, no Tesla. Said I need a milk.
May cause an allergic skin reaction. It has specific smell. I think it's white spirit. Don't trust my opinion based on smell. It can be anything. It doesn't say on paper, on packaging, what is it.
I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah.
Well, I guess it's dry enough now. I'm gonna add thermal paste.
I told him once that I could shut it down. Seen them all fly when I'm riding through the town. When I shoot my shot, told them they ain't no bounds like a ball.
I made ugly, but I think I used all what possible. Now we will need to connect it. I will need to put it like this. Like this. First, don't forget to take off this thing.
On the floor, this is real as it gets. This going down like the trunk of my car. Don't wanna smoke, bro, I'll take it too far. Tell me take it.
I wanna do it from first try.
Bar like, I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah.
Not sure if this stands correctly.
Shut it down, look. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down.
I think I did the hardest thing right. There is a little gap on top. I see CPU from top a little bit. The most heat is not on upper part of CPU. It's on down part of CPU. I guess that's why this AIO mostly focused on a little bit downish side. I'm screwing a little bit one side, then a little bit another side, because if you finish with only one side it's gonna be like this, then it will be much harder to hold it even. So you need to little this, little this, little this, little this. I need to put this. Website says that it should do clock. I think it's all on magnet and it has some pins here. I saw it, they're a little exposed. So it just takes it from there. Next, we need to screw this top part. I already fixed it on top. With this case, we have two options. We can either hold radiator from bottom and just put screws and screw them, or we can just take it off, this top, and then hold our radiator some way here, like you're pushing out of hole and then you're holding it like this position, because you don't need to unconnect it, right? We're just taking this off, pushing it out of hole, putting like this. Then you put this top on top of that, screw them, then you put it back. I did it already. I was recording it, something happened, I lost the video, I'm sorry. But it's very easy. Not all PC cases have this option to take this off. I think modern ones have it. It makes everything much easier. Another important point, I had a choice to take this metal and put it in another position. So I mean these two lines would be here. It would give us option to put this radiator little far. It would start from here, not from here. It would be much further. Why I didn't do that, why I decided this layout to put it little front. One reason, because instructions in website, they put it in little up front position. Another reason, because these radiators have some gaps here, right? I think it's totally my assumption. I think if we will push direct air to here, then it would make some noise. The fans keep radiator cold. Cold water comes here, and that cold water takes out the heat from CPU, takes hot water from here and pushes it here. And again, these fans are making it colder. So that's whole system how it works. I think if fans would be closer because of these gaps and because of this air going in and out of these gaps, I think it would make some windy noise. Very small, tiny, but I think it would make that noise. So I made decision to make it a little bit up front. Sometimes some PC cases have smaller gap on top, so your radiator comes on top of this memory stick. It comes somewhere like here. If your memory sticks have some RGB, it will make problem for them. There is not gonna be any space. That's why you need to be careful. Please measure properly how much gap you have, what's the height of your memory sticks, and if this everything will fit properly in your case. So we had here a bit of an issue. These screws provided by Arctic screw together with this spacer. When I was using them to hold this AIO here, it was making a little bit bump. It was very tiny bump, but because of that bump and this top part of case, when I was putting it on top of case, it was little bit uncomfortable. It was pushing this part a very tiny bit. You could still feel it when you are trying to close it. This side, whenever I was pushing this, it was not standing properly. It wouldn't break anything, but it would bend the top part. It was annoying, it was wrong. If I would use these screws as it is without any spacer, it's not really good holding strategy. That's why I opened this box from Montech. There are two types of these screws with little hats on it. This is original, the AIO one, and this is Montech screws. When you hold them together, you see that these are a little too narrow. I guess there are three types of screws with these hats. These, with the thickness of screw itself, it's kind of same. They're approximately at same size for lengths, but the difference, it has this hat. This doesn't. So we replaced all of those screws with these ones. With these hats, they're holding it very good. There is no any wobble, any problem at all. They are not that fat. You don't feel any issues with this at all. Let's come back to topic of these cords. I'm gonna just put them in proper headers. I don't care right now about cable management. I will fix it later on. From right, first is CPU fan, second is CPU op, third is AIO pump. AIO pump should be somewhere here. CPU fan, yes. CHA fan 2, because I wanna have separate control or fans. last cord. This is the RGB cord. It should have 3 pins, 2, 1 gap, and third one. And by the website, it says that it's 5-volt pin. We have here right on top Aura RGB. It has 4 pins. This is 12 watt. We don't need 12 watt. This is not what we need. We need something which has this structure. 2 and 1. One is 5 volt. Second is, as I see, data. And 3 is gap. 4 is ground. This is what we need right here. This first one is Aura. The second one is the thing what we need. So finally I finished the AIO. I think it was very interesting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put like, subscribe, share your comments under it, and have a nice day. Bye.
Need another check going extra.